you dare cross my mind? Would you wait?
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Let's get right into the video. The lovely unit I'm showcasing today is from Nadula hair, y'all, and she is a treat. So a couple of videos ago, I had mentioned that I was having a little problem with kink toe, with procrastination, and I have gotten that under control. But here's the thing. Oh, hold on. Here is a nice satin dust bag that you would put your wig in for storage after you remove it. There's too much to do right now, okay? I have a lot on my plate, as most of us do in our households that we run like shit, okay? There's just too much. I got an exam due. Somebody told me Thanksgiving was next week. Wait, when is Thanksgiving? Where's my phone? Alexa. Oh, okay, all right. I got a little bit of time, thank God. All right, because I thought like Thanksgiving was this week, because I have not thought about a turkey at all. And speaking of turkeys, I don't even think I want it anymore. You know what I'm saying? Like every year I try and I'll make a good turkey, but I just don't love turkey. I don't. I like smoked turkey. Smoked turkey is bomb. So included to help me with my installation, I got some wig caps. There is also an elastic band for melting my hairline. Today's unit is a beautiful Yaki straights. Oh, she smells good. Smells like fresh shampoo. So she's 24 inches, natural black. So here's a little peek at the inside cap construction. You can see that she's already been pre-cut in the zigzag pattern. She's already been pre-bleached. This is their bye-bye knots. Here is the lace. You got 7x5, plenty of parting space. There is a very large garbage truck outside right now.
Time is slipping away from me.
I'm gonna do what I normally do and show you the inside of the cap, but let me just tell you the one thing that you need to know is the drawstring wig. Okay? It's a drawstring wig, and drawstring wigs are my jam. Let me just show you. So we got this elastic band, right? And it's adjustable. You have two tipple combs on either side. You have these adjustable straps for added snugness and comfort. Then you have this anti-slip material that's all around the bottom perimeter of your wig, but that don't matter. That don't matter. Cause look at here, this is all you need. I love drawstring wigs so much. Cause once they install this little bad boy in here, oh, it's a wrap. And you can see once I've actually engaged that drawstring, how stretchy and comfortable that is. If you're wearing an updo, okay? If you're at the club, all right? If you're going on somebody's roller coaster, pull this thing within an inch of its life, honey. It's got your back. Okay, so I went ahead and adjusted it. I'm gonna pop it on my head. You're gonna see it takes 10 seconds to put on, okay? I love that you have options too. Like if you don't want to engage the combs, you don't have to. If you don't want to use the elastic band that's on the inside of the cap, you could just take that whole thing out and you'll be good to go with just the elastic in the back. So boom, she's on. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up this elastic in the back. Move all this luxurious hair out of my way. And honey, I don't know about you, but I'll make these things tight. Took like what? Not even 10 seconds. If the time it takes to lay your edges down and get out the house is a problem, honey, this is the solution for you. Y'all see my barber hairs poking out? These baby hairs are so fragile. That's another reason why I like this glueless unit, because if I were to do the ball cap method, I feel like I would lose my babies. So you can see that the lace ends right around my temple on either side. This right here is my wig cap because it slid all the way back, honey. It said goodbye. So I always like to use a little bit of mousse on my hairline along with an elastic band because it just melts. It brings that hairline together, pulls everything together. It's harmonious. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, let that dry, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what a difference it makes, okay? So this is the before. So like I was saying earlier, it's just too much right now, all right? Because I got a plan what we're gonna have for Thanksgiving. I'm really not feeling turkey this year. There are some people who swear up and down that their turkey is delicious and moist, and I don't care. I've had it fried, I've had it brined. I watched a lady on TikTok and I think it's just because it's close to the holidays. Everybody is gonna be cooking a turkey and people are gonna be looking up YouTube videos about how do I not burn this bad boy. And she was giving tips and she was like, listen, it really don't matter how you cook the turkey. It's gonna be trash anyway, because turkey tastes like cardboard. And I don't necessarily agree. I think a good, delicious, holiday turkey is wonderful, but I will be completely honest, I don't think I've ever walked away from a Thanksgiving meal focusing on the turkey. You want the skin to be brown and it's beautiful, but it's like a centerpiece, because the real star of the evening is the sides. Don't nobody care about that turkey for real, for real. Who made the mac and cheese? Who making the pies? That's the important stuff. I had it everywhere you can think of in Twice on Sundays. It's just not my jam. Now smoked turkey legs, like those carnival legs, oh my God. And then on top of that, I got a birthday to plan. Y'all's internet niece is turning 8, so I have to do that. I got an exam due on the 29th. Sure. And then Christmas is like tomorrow. I can't take it, I'm stressing out. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna apply my elastic band, and then I'm gonna let that sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you the difference, okay?
Would you like to cancel all of those?
Yes.
Canceling all your timers on AJ's room.
Okay, girl, I had Alexa. All right, so it's time to take my elastic band off. But I was like, Alexa, cancel this timer, right? And she was like, you have 3 timers. I'm like, 3? Bella has a bad habit of setting 24 hours, 72. She'll just come up with a number. Set a timer for 256 hours, and then she'll go about her day. Meanwhile, at 3 o'clock in the morning, the timer goes off, scares the crap out of everybody. But anyway, you see what I'm talking about? See, this is why I do this. This is why sometimes a couple of hairs get caught. I used to be so, wow. I used to be so subconscious of taking that elastic band off because I thought y'all was gonna see all the crust and judge me. But let me tell you something. You watch enough wig tutorials on TikTok and you see these girls take their bands off and they'll be all crusty. So you know what? That really unburdened me of the context of what has been. So I'm all done with the installation. Y'all saw how fast that was. And if you want to do the mousse on the hairline trick, you can, but you don't have to. So I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna show you everything. So here is the length. So when I receive one of these longer units, it's very rare that I just leave it alone, okay? I know y'all like, Michelle, don't do nothing to it, it looks fine. It looks amazing. But then I think how even much more amazing will it look like with layers and curls. That was really hard to get out. I'm gonna add some layers, light layers, and I have my Bad Mama Jamma curling iron. When I tell you this curling iron is lethal, this thing gets up to 6,000 degrees, I think. I just want to add a few layers to try to open up the wig. Sometimes when you have very long hair that's all the same length, it can kind of weigh you down. So we're going to add a little bit of lightness to this wig and not remove too much, not cut too much, just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. I'm going to show you guys the process and then I will meet you back to comb out the curls. Before I do anything though, I think I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change my part.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side. All day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold.
Y'all, I burnt this dog fart out of my daggone finger. I'm shaking right now. This thing is dangerous. So the hair is all curled up and it looks fabulous like this. Why can't this be a hairstyle? All right, well, I want to keep the curls in long enough for them to cool down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get changed and put about 2 or 3 layers of Spanx on, and then I'm gonna be right back. Alrighty, okay, I'm all dressed and now I want to see what we got with these curls. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and comb.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight.
So the reason why I love to add curls and clip them in on long hair and add layers is because I like my hair to have volume. And this is an easy, quick way to get your hair nice and big. I'm gonna add a little bit of sheen with some bronzing oil. And here is the final look.
Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah.
So that's how I like to break up a longer length unit. I love to add layers, and I never met a curl I didn't like. It just makes the unit that much more lighter. Of course, I got my fan on though, but you know what I mean? I like it. So thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. I'll make sure that I put all the information about this beautiful unit from Nadula in the description box below. Best part about this unit, got to be the installation. Anything that takes 2 seconds to put on, I'm all about. Anything that I can tug on and I know that it's not coming off my head, I am a fan. You come home from a long day, you don't have to worry about nothing, just snatch it off, girl. Cause this mess is glueless. Stick around to the end, I'm gonna do some final looks. And as always, thank you guys for chilling with me today, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.
Yeah, 'cause now you did cross my mind. Would you